Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blood oxygen on your Apple Watch. First, make sure your watch software is up to date. Then, open the Health app on your iPhone and navigate to the blood oxygen section to enable the feature. It's important to confirm you are at least 18 years old. Finally, wear your watch snugly on your wrist, ensuring it sits comfortably but firmly for the best results. To take a measurement, simply open the blood oxygen app directly on your Apple Watch. Once open, rest your arm on a flat surface, like a table, and keep it completely still. It's crucial that your watch remains flush against your skin without any gaps. Stay motionless for about 15 seconds while the measurement is being taken. You will see a countdown on your watch screen. After a successful reading, your Apple Watch will display your blood oxygen saturation percentage. Generally, healthy individuals show levels between 95 and 100%. If your readings consistently fall below 95%, it might be a good idea to consult a healthcare professional for advice. Remember, the app also keeps a history of your measurements, allowing you to track trends over time. For the most accurate blood oxygen readings, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Try to avoid taking measurements right after strenuous physical activity. Always ensure your watch's sensor is clean and free from any dirt or debris. Extremely cold temperatures can also impact accuracy. Lastly, tattoos on your wrist, especially dark ones, might interfere with the sensor's ability to get a clear reading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.